Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I go straight to the point. I just want to show you something that really makes a lot of sense when I do any kind of pre-purchase used car inspections. And you know, I get straight to the point. One of the main things I look at is the short term and long term. As long as it's not going above 10, you're good. Minus or plus 10. And I can hit the gas. This is an older Chrysler, so this is kind of normal for a Chrysler at this age. It only has 40,000 miles on it, but it's been sitting around for quite some time. That's one of the things I look for. Also, what you would do is you also turn off the let the car warm up like I'm doing right now, and I'm actually going to take off the oil cap right now live, and if there's a bunch of smoke coming out of it, this engine is not in the best condition. So what we're going to do is go ahead and do that right now. There's a lot more than to a pre-purchase diagnostic than what I'm doing, but these are two main things that I look for. So we're going to take it off, and barely any smoke comes out, which is very good. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'm talking kind of low because I'm actually live doing a pre-purchase diagnostic at a customer's house. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, if you like this video, please hit that super thanks button. And if you want to see the videos quicker than anybody else, just hit that join button. Thank you.